Today's topic is playing with numbers exercise 3.6. In this first one is find the HCF. HCF means the highest common factor of two or more given numbers is highest common factor HCF. This other name is GCD or what is GCD means greatest common divisor. They have given now 18 and 48 for a question. Now 18 can divide in second table 9 2s are 18. 9 can divide 3 3s are 9. So 18 equal to 2 into 3 into 3. Next number they have given 48. Can divide by second table 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Again second table 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Again second table 6 2s are 12. Again second table 3 2s are 6. So 48 can write 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. So 2, 1, 2, 3, 4 times 6 appear, 3 one time. Now HCF is, what is common in both? This 2 is common, so we should write. Then this 3 also is common. Next we have here 2, we don't have here. But we have here 3, we don't have in this 3. So we can write now 2 into 3 is 6. This is what our HCF of 18 and 48. The question is your homework. C1 I will do 18 and 60. So 18 second table 9 times. 9 2s are 18. 3 3s are 9. So 18 can write 2 into 3 into 3. Now 60. We have in second table 30 2s are 60. Again second table 15 2s are 30. Again this 3 table 5 times 5 3s are 50. So 60 can write 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. So now HCF is, we have 2 in both, so can write. So 3 in both can write. This 3 also can write, children. So now 5 we have here, here don't have 5. Here we have 3, here we don't have any, again 3. So we have 2 here, we don't have in this, one more 2. So 2 3s are 6. 6 is here, our HCF. D sum is your homework. I will do E sum, that is 36 and 84. Now 36 can divide by second table. 1 2s are 2, remaining 1. 8 2s are 16. Again 2 9s are 18. 3 3s are 9. So our 36 can write 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Then 84 we have. So 84 equal to second table 4 2s are 8. 2 2s are 4. Again second table 2 2s are 4. 1 2s are 2. Again in third table 7 3s are 21. So can write 2 into 2 into 3 into 7. So 36 84 HCF is equal to, what we have here, 2. Again in this one more 2 is common. Again we have 3 also is common. So 2 2s are 4. 4 3s are 12. So 12 is here our HCF. Now they have given G sum 3 numbers. So it is 70, 105, 175. So 70 can divide by 7th table because 7 also is a prime number, so we can divide. So 10 times. 10 into 7, 70. So 10 can go in second table, 5 2s are 10. So 70 can write, arrange and write while writing time. 2 into 5 into 7. Again 105 we should write. Fifth table, 2 5s are 10, 1 5s are 5. Again third table 7 3s are 21. So 105 can write 3 into 5 into 7. Again 175 can write in fifth table 3 5s are 15, remaining 2, 5 5s are 25. Again this fifth table 7 5s are 35. So 175 can write 5 into 5 into 7. Now HCF of this three numbers is, we have 5 in everything common and 7 also we have common. So 5 7s are 35. We have here 5, but in this both we don't have. We have 3 in both we don't have. Here we have 2 in both also we don't have. So it should be appear in all the common numbers. So it is 5 and 7. 5 7s are 35. I they given 18, 54 and 81. So 18, 2 9s are 18, 3 3s are 9. So 18 can write 2 into 3 into 3. Now next number is 54. Can write in second table 2 2s are 4, remaining 1, 7 2s are 14. So 3 table 9 3s are 27. Again 9 can divide, 3 3s are 54 can write 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. 3 times appear, 2 1 time appear. Next number is 81. So 81 can write in third table 3 2s are 6, remaining 2. So 2 and 1 is 21, 7 3s are 21. Again 27 can write in third table, 9 3s are 27. Again this 3 can write, 3 3s are 9. So 81 can write 3 4 times. 1 2 3 4 times. Now HCF of this all three number is, 3 is appear in everything. Again one more 3 is common. 3 3s are 9. 9 is HCF of this 3 number. In this 2 time we have 3, this 3 should not write. In everything should be common, then only this 3 can be right. In this also 3 3 is there, you should not write. First main, what and all I have not done, that is your homework. Second main is, what is the HCF of 2 consecutive numbers? B1 is 2 consecutive even numbers. C1 is 2 consecutive odd numbers. First one, 2 consecutive numbers. Consecutive number means the next number, that is 1, 2 or 3, 4, 5, 6 or 10, 11. Like that 2 numbers are next number, that is called consecutive numbers. So 1 can write 1 into 1. 2 can write 1 into 2. So what is the HCF of this? 1 is common in both. So 1 is the common number. Next B1 is 2 consecutive even numbers. Even number is start with 2, 4, 6 like that. So 2 numbers means 2, 4. Suppose if you take 6, 8 can write. If you take 8, 10 is 2 consecutive number like that. So now 2 and 4 I have taken. So 2 can write 1 2s are 2. I will write like this. 1 2s are 2. So 4 can write 2 2s are 2. So what is HCF in this? 2 is common, so 2. Or example, you take 8, 10. So 8 can write 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. 10 also can write 2 5s are 10. So what is common? 2 is common. So our HCF is 2. Same like this, C1 is your homework. Next one. Third question is, HCF of co-prime numbers 4 and 15 was found as follows by factorization. because 4 can write 2 into 2, 15 can write 5 into 3. Since there is no common prime factor, so HCF they said 5 and 15 is 0. Is the correct answer? If not, what is the correct HCF? Actually they told directly question means 4 and 15. You have to find the HCF. 4, 15. 4 can write 1 into 2. 1 2s are 2. Again 2 2s are 4 can write like this also. 15. 1 3s are 3. 3 5s are 15 also can write. In every number, 1 is multiple of that number. Suppose here also 1 2s are. This one 2 2s are 4. 4 1s are also 4. Every number it has 1. So 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 8 1s are 8 only. In this also 2 5s are 10. 10 into 1 also 10 only. So like that every number we can write 1. So what number we have in this common number? 1. It is not 0. So that HCF of this is 1. So our answer is no, because we have common number HCF. We have HCF of this number is 1. The highest common factor HCF of 2 or more given number is the highest or greatest of their common factors. It is also known as greatest common divisor, GCD.